Coco. Hi. Hi, Coco. Coco. He's right in here, really sick. Let's see. What's in there? Huh? What's in there, baby? There's a birdie, huh? Is that birdie? Huh? Huh? What is that? Coco. Coco. What is that in there? Huh? Gizmo. Hi. Hi, girls. Don't think about it. What do you see? Do you see birdies in there? What's in there? What's in there? Is that birdies? How are they doing? Are they getting better? Huh? Are they getting better? Are they getting better, Tori? Huh? How about that, Sophie? Are they? I think they're getting better. I think they can probably leave today. I think so. I think so. We're going to see later, huh? Yeah, going to see if they can fly. Good girls.